Hello everyone and welcome back. So I am in Taormina in Sicily. This place needs to be seen to be believed, okay? I am up at a place called Castelmola, which is, it's only about half mile away from the town. But in height, half mile's quite a lot. Get on this. Look at this, how high I am. There's Taormina down there. You know, it's a lovely little town. See the footy pitch over there? And if you look right over there, I'm getting off this wall just in case I go over. Look just over there, to the right of the cliffs, you can see the coastline of Italy. It's better at night, it really is. But this place is stunning. I'm going to do a little hotel tour as well at some point of where I'm staying. It overlooks all this. Alright, slightly lower down, but you get to see everything. So that's Taormina in one shot just there. So anyway, I've come up to Castelmola. I'm not sure if I'm going to get up to the top because the lift isn't working and I've still got quite a distance to climb here. The bus has brought me the majority of the way, which is lucky for me. But just on the other side of this wall, over that way, I'll show you in a minute, is Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes. And at the moment it's smoking. So, gonna get round, have a look at that. I'll take you through this little town as well, because it's, you know what, it's so quaint. I feel like I'm in the Old West. I feel like Billy the Kid's just about to pop out somewhere. But yeah, take you on a walk through, and I'll get the drone up at some point to look at Etna as well, okay? I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, sorry. That's funny that. So, see the little town behind me now? I feel like I'm the only person here. The shops are still shut, but it's better when it's quiet. You can get a sense of the place. Down in Taormina is so busy, really busy. Fast asleep. Now, Sicily is full of these little alleyways that you don't know where they lead. You just walk down and you end up somewhere random. Looks like this is leading me to a restaurant, but it could open up somewhere else. And a church. Look at it. It's just mad where you end up. There's a little viewing point over here that I can see. Oh, right, okay. And there it is, Etna. See the smoke coming off the top of it? This is the money shot of Taormina. Getting to see this volcano in person is unreal. You can do tours of it as well. There it is behind me. Absolutely stunning it is. Right, let's explore this place a little bit more. That'll make a good photograph, that, you know. So I'm just having a coffee break in this quaint little coffee shop here. Look at this. On the balcony. There's the guy in there making me coffee for me. And look at the view I've got to drink my coffee to. Brilliant. So just had my coffee there, looking out to Mount Etna. It was brilliant, you know. €3 for the coffee, you know, for the view it was worth it. The place is really quiet. Some shops are starting to open, it's around 9:30 in the morning. I love it here. Anyone who watches my channel knows I'd love to go off grid and just, you know, live in the hills. This would be perfect for me. Right, so I'm just going to get the drone airborne and we'll have a look at it from the air and zoom in on Etna. 1 second. Right, I am now airborne and this is what we're seeing. A little scan around, then we'll have a little zoom in on places. This is Castelmola here. With Etna in the background there, what a shot that is. Right, I'm just going to switch to camera so I can take, oh no, I'll take a photograph of that, I'll get that in a minute. Let's zoom in on the volcano. Look at that. It's a bit too tight, isn't it? But it looks amazing. Just getting as much viewing as I can. Now I'm going to have to stop here because the drone will go out of sight and I don't want that to happen. But look at that. That's just like a town on top of a hill. Looks stunning. Okay. Bring it back round. It's an absolutely stunning place to look at. So let's have a look down at Taormina. There's Taormina there, so let's zoom in on that. There's a yacht. It's where the rich kids play. Little close look on Taormina, and you know what? It's a big place to walk around. Lots of shopping, lots of places to stay as well. But a lot of people stay down here on the coast, down by the beach, and get the bus up into Taormina or the cable car. The cable car is quite expensive though. It's around €10. Well, yeah, it's €10 return. And the thing that blows me away the most is the driving around here. The bus drivers are unreal, because these roads are winding. So these are the roads here. You look at that bend down there. The coach actually gets around that. So that's it from the air. I'm going to bring the drone down now and finish my video. I'll see you in a minute. And there we have it, done. Drone back on the grounds. Little tour of Castelmola done. We didn't actually get to the very top because, yeah, look at this. I'll show you why. There's this like lift shaft that goes all the way up there. It's not working. No, the lift's not coming down, and if it's not working, I don't want to get any. So there we have it, done. I hope you enjoyed that one. This place has to be seen to be believed in person, so if you get the chance, come and see it. Taormina in Sicily. This is just a little bit of Castelmola. I'm going to do Taormina as well, so I can show you around there. It's a lot busier down there. Loads to see. Shopping, if you're into shopping, you'll love it. Just full of designer shops down there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.